All right, welcome back to John Whitehead Images. And if you didn't know, I actually have a website associated with this YouTube channel, and it's just simply located at the URL of John Whitehead Images. And the cool thing about this, it's all updated. So this is the most recent information. I've got my tutorial series on Lightroom, Photoshop. We've got one specifically on Adobe Camera Raw, Photoshop for photographers, advanced Photoshop, and some quick Photoshop tutorials. We've got one on photo browsers. So if I was to click that, we would come in here and you can see there's some videos on browsers. So if I wanted to go to Photo Mechanic, I can go ahead and simply click on this page. And these are optimized, obviously, for SEO, so they do have a lot of information, but right there embedded is the YouTube video and just some other information to go along with that. We have one on basic digital photography. We have miscellaneous, and miscellaneous can be a really helpful one. It's other information on things such as monitor calibration, how does color affect the photos. Down here, we've got some on some hard drives and SD cards. Now, a lot of these are made for my college classes, and one of the cool new things, and this is why I'm doing this video, is I've actually created some free PDFs. So if you go to free PDFs, notice we've got a Lightroom and a Camera Raw. The Lightroom one I'm just working on now, but the Adobe Camera Raw is full. So if you come down here and scroll, you'll notice there's a whole bunch of free PDFs that you could download. If you wanted more information on color grading, you could simply click that and it would give you the PDF for that. Here it is. You could either download it or print it. It does have some hyperlinks in it sometimes. PDFs can be super helpful because you can kind of look at these and work alongside. A lot of times tutorials can go a little bit too fast. So having something that you could print out and follow along. I will be creating this for a lot. I'll be creating PDFs for a lot of different things in photography. But right now I've got Adobe Camera Raw basically done. And right here I'm working on Lightroom as we speak. And we've got one on import, ingest, the library module, and culling and tagging. And I'll be adding more as time goes along. So hopefully those are helpful. If you haven't had time and you haven't checked it out, this might be a easier place to find everything that's available on my YouTube channel.